Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App if it isn't letting you send money to your bank account. Cash App generally lets you send money from the Cash App balance to your linked bank account within seconds. However, if you're not able to do so at the moment, it can be due to a temporary technical issue. So first of all, open up Cash App on your device and then tap on this profile icon in the top right corner. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on Support. Over here, you need to tap on something else. Once you're on this screen, scroll down and tap on Cash Card. Again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Contact Support, and then click on Not About a Transaction right over here. Once you're on this screen, tap on Chat at the bottom to contact Customer Support Official. Now briefly explain the issue to the Cash App representative. You can type something along the lines of, "Hello team, I'm trying to transfer some money from my Cash App balance to my bank account, but I'm stuck. The app won't let me proceed with the transfer, and I'm not sure why. For reference, I successfully transferred money to my bank account through Cash App before. Maybe there's a temporary glitch with the system, or perhaps there are limitations on how much I can transfer at once that I'm not aware of. If you could help me understand why the transfer isn't working and how to get my money back to my bank account smoothly, that would be a huge help. Hopefully, the Cash App customer representative will help you fix Cash App if it isn't letting you send money to your bank account. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.